Welcome back to Skills Academy. In this tutorial, we'll dive into how to transfer WhatsApp messages to new phone. If you're moving from an Android phone to another Android phone, you can transfer your full chat and media history using WhatsApp's chat transfer feature. On your old phone, open WhatsApp on your old phone. Tap More options, Settings, Chats, Transfer chats, start, accept requested permissions, and prepare to scan the QR code that will be shown on your new phone. On your new phone download, and then open WhatsApp on your new phone. Go through the setup, tap accept terms and conditions. Verify your phone number, tap start on transfer chat history from old phone. Accept requested permissions, and then you'll see a QR code. On your old phone, scan the QR code shown on your new phone. Accept the invitation to connect on your new phone to link your new phone to your old phone. While your chat history is transferring, a percentage bar will track the progress. Keep both phones unlocked and don't leave WhatsApp. Messaging is paused during the chat history transfer. You can cancel the process at any time. Once the import is complete, tap Done. Thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more.